Welcome back. It's time for sports.
Arnett Gardens are awaiting official word from doctors from the Kingston Public Hospital on goalkeeper Reggie Williams, but a source at the club says the custodian is in stable condition and good spirits following an unfortunate incident that led to him being stabbed on Monday night by a woman. The source, who asked not to be named, confirmed with tvjmiddaysports that the incident happened on a road adjacent to the Anthony Spalding Sports Complex shortly after their game against Tivoli Gardens FC, which ended goalless. While the source could not speak specifically to the nature of the incident, it is understood that Williams, on receiving the injury, ran back on the compound and was assisted by a member of the security force who drove him to the hospital. Meanwhile, with Arnett Gardens and Tivoli Gardens playing to a 0-0 scoreline, Racing United took the opportunity to join the latter on 48 points following their comprehensive 3-0 win over Chapperton Maroons. Reggae Girls assistant coach Dion Burton says while the result of tonight's game against Mexico is good for the morale of the team, it's more important for the women to play better than they did on Saturday. Jamaica and Mexico will meet for the second time in 4 days when they contest the second of 2 friendly internationals in Houston tonight at 7:30 Jamaica time. The Mexicans won the first encounter 3-0 on Saturday to break a 4-game unbeaten run for the Jamaicans. However, assistant coach of the Reggae Girls, Burton, who will take charge of the team again due to the absence of head coach Hubert Busby Jr. due to personal reasons, says the game is a small part of the bigger picture, which is the World Cup qualification.
The more opportunities we can get with the ladies, the better. Like I said before, leading into it's all about objective October for World Cup qualifiers. So as much time as we can get on the grass, we can benefit the end goal, which is qualification for the World Cup, but obviously the qualifying stages that start in October.
Defending champions Excelsior High will look to seal their place in yet another schoolgirls football final as they take on Garvey Massey in a semi-final meeting today at 3 p.m. at Stadium East. The Mountain View Avenue girls, who are unbeaten this season, are looking to move a step closer to their 9th straight title. In the other last 4 game at Brooks Park, first-time finalists Merle Grove will battle last year's runners-up Homewood Technical, also at 3 p.m. Manchester High were crowned the Issa Rural Era T20 cricket champions after defeating Stets by 12 runs on Monday. Batting first, Manchester High posted 179 for 8, Raven Morgan 40, Kevin Williams 29 and Jade Moore 23 not out were the top scorers for Manchester. Stets' Delante Scott bagged 2 for 37 and Tariq Bryan 2 for 38. Chasing 180 to win, Stets were restricted to 167 for 6. Tariq Bryan contributed 68 runs with assistance from O'Dane Binns 55. Meanwhile, Taki High were the third place finishers after defeating Clarendon College by 9 wickets in a 15-over game. Clarendon, who batted first, made 89 for 5 with Tequan Roberts and Dan J. Larman top scoring with 42 and 36 respectively. Taki responded with 90 for 1. And that's it for your Midday Sports. I'm Renardo Brown.
Thank you, Renardo, and that's the Midday News. I'm Shamela Pullen. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports, and production teams, good afternoon.